Hello everyone, my name is Peter and I'm from Cine-Q. We have a series of videos demonstrating how personalized videos can be applied for a wide range of industries, placing our imaginary character Quentin into various situations. Today we're going to take a look at a basic example of how dentists can use personalized videos to remind their customers to come in for their regular checkup. But before we get into it, let's do a quick recap on what is a personalized video. Personalized videos, as the name suggests, contains elements that are unique to the individual, which greatly increases viewers' engagement and ultimately the ROI on your video marketing. A common example is when the viewer's name is being mentioned in the video, but you can also get quite sophisticated with it. We prepared a video about this that goes into more detail, so if you haven't watched it, then I encourage you to do so by clicking the link in the description. So let's go back to our today's example. We're going to see Quentin receiving a phone message on his phone reminding him of his next visit, which brings back some queer memories with his dentist, which prompts him to take actions. Now let's watch it again and highlight some of the key parts that can be personalized. Needless to say that the most obvious way of personalizing a video is by addressing viewers by their names. Viewers' engagement is greatly elevated when additional pieces of information that is relevant to them is being mentioned, such as the last time they had their checkup. Moving on, we can see Quentin at the dentist. In real life, the scene could be a short video snippet showing the dentist in an entertaining way. The video snippet would be shot once and dynamically inserted into the actual video. The message of this video is clear. Encourage the viewer to get in touch via phone or email. If the dentist has multiple locations or is a franchise group and the head office is running the marketing, then they could dynamically insert the details of the viewer's favorite branch. The final scenes of this short video shows a clear call to action, encouraging the viewer to book their next appointment. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on video personalization. If you're unsure about how your business can use personalized videos, feel free to get in touch with us via cine-q.com. Thank you for watching.